This guy is really a great talent who is quick to use his hands and feet. I saw that he didn't hesitate to hold the grinder to cut the water outlet pipe of an old iron bowl and the wooden handle that wasn't required on top. He knocked it over and plugged it in a bit, first taking care of a large round hole reserved for the base. As currently, when folded inward, a small hole is also drilled through the side. It was necessary to find another intact plastic bucket, and install large and small adapters and accessories on the cover and side to meet the overall structural frame requirements. Of course, this was only half of the initial production, and the real basic process part still needed to be set up separately. A large number of rotten fruits, vegetables, vegetable leaves, etc. are chopped up and quickly put into the bucket. At the same time, with a decent amount of edible salt and some lemon powder, then add most of the water bucket to it. Close the lid and keep it sealed and tight. After about 3 weeks of fermentation, a hose is immediately attached, and the buckle screws are tightened to connect it wholesale. If you read it correctly, congratulations, you must have guessed it correctly. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go, our creative homemade biogas burning device presented perfectly, witty and fast to all. I have to admire the remarkable skills of this man. It can only be described in 9 words. This is great insight. I don't know what you think?